Hey Alexa, pause music. Everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, it's gratis time. If you know, you know. Here to see what's in Miss Tamika's big old gratis bag. Then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here video. You new here, really quick, I do work for Sephora and bags once a month. This is for the month of November. Pull stuff out. I did peek, y'all, but I'm gonna just pull stuff out. Continue to watch to the end because it's something special that I want to share with y'all. This here is a rubber mask. It's by Dr. Jart. I never used any rubber mask, so this is a good way for me to try a rubber mask. Vitamin C. Never used a rubber mask before, so I can't wait to try it out and let y'all know how I like a rubber mask. I usually use these type of face masks. Hourglass skin tint. I got the shade 14. I did already get one, but yeah, I got the shade 14. I had to try this again to really give you my thoughts because I'm not 100% sure as of yet. We got something from the Rootis Bio Brew and damaged hair, normal to dry scalp. It says apply to damp hair. It's y'all. So I guess it's something for like damaged hair, best condition. So I am glad we have this to try. Makeup girl, so with me getting gratis, I've been exploring in skincare a little more and also hair care. Ilya, I did get this for my daughter, so that's why the box is empty, because it is in the shade ST13. Something from Way, and this here is a anti-dandruff shampoo. I'm excited to try this. I can't wait to see if this works or not. Something from Dr. Driss is a major fade anti-seal. It has it's a vitamin C moisturizer. So it's like really small. It's a deluxe size. They have pretty packaging if you ever saw this here in skincare. Really cute packaging. Moving on to my next item. This here is new by 7 Virtuals. It's called the Candid Lychee. Candid Lychee. I think that's how you say it, y'all. But I'm gonna spray it so we can see. It smells good. So yeah, I can throw this in my purse. Summer scent. So I wear my scents all year long, but it is giving me like summer sweet vibes. We got another scent, y'all. We got a few scents this month. This Dolce & Gabbana Devotion. And this is such a cute little bottle, y'all. Like, look how cute. Smells nice too. It's just a different scent. I'm not going to spray it because I don't want to give myself a headache. But yeah, yo, we got this. This bottle is so cute. Where did they put the tea at on here? Really, y'all? They put it on the front. Y'all could have put it on the back. But yeah, we got that. A little fragrance tower pretty soon because I have a lot of fragrance, you all. We got something from One Size, and this here is Secure the Blur. I do have his that's in the tube, and then I have the one that's in the bottle, so I can't wait to use this. We got something from Glow Recipe. These here are the dewdrops. I think I have this already, so it's in my skincare stash. So here is the bottle. Excited about this. This here is by Salt and Stone. Here is their deodorant. I did pick the Bergamot, like a clean brand. I know they say you're supposed to detox before you use clean products, but yeah, it smells pretty good. I'm going to detox or just use it as a regular deodorant. I'm not sure because I don't use clean deodorant, y'all. I mean, I don't. To clean deodorant, but this will give me a chance to try it out. I got another fragrance. This here is by Ariana Grande. This here is her newest scent. It's called Love Notes. It smells pretty good. I did smell it at work. Like a really nice light scent. It's not too overpowering or anything like that. It's a little different from her like little cloud fragrance, because I did get my daughter the whole set for her birthday. Another mascara. I'm not going to open it because I probably gift this to someone. We got some Better Than Sex, Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Lip gloss that I already have. This is why I need to stop buying stuff. But yeah, I got this in Gratis. This is the newest shade from Huda. I forgot the name of it. But it's just like a really cute clear gloss that you can wear with a brown liner and put the clear in the middle. That's something from Clean. This here is Sparkling Sugar. Y'all know I love a sweet scent. So yeah, this is another scent. I don't know if I got this already, but yeah, we got that. I'm excited about this here. Is from Gucci. Get a lot of Gucci, but when we do, y'all, I be like, yes, Gucci, yes. So Gucci came out with some highlighters, y'all. Here is the packaging. Purchase a highlighter from Gucci because I don't go through highlighters like that, but to get one for free, that's what I'm talking about. How this looks. Ooh, okay. So this would be really cute for like holiday time, like New Year's. And Gucci also came out with some new what is it called, lashes, $3, but I would never buy them because I'm not going nowhere that fancy, because they got like diamonds and rhinestones on them. Got the Glow Recipe mini toner. I have this as well. So yeah, we got that. Something from Clinique. We don't even carry Clinique in our store anymore, but we did get the famous lip color in Black Honey. Dark lip girl, but yeah. I don't know if I will wear this here Dark Honey. Last but not least, we got the Tarte Tubing Mascara. I heard a lot of good things about this here mascara, so I can't wait to try it. I don't know, I haven't been wearing makeup to work like that. I've been just doing like a concealer, mascara, and eyeshadow, and that's it. Just haven't been feeling makeup. Like I do better glamming up when I'm not at work, because wearing this all day is a lot, you know. And y'all, the rest is just a little sample scent. Let me see what this smells like, because it's just like it's like on a card. I never got a card scent before. Oh, it's on like this rubber card thing, like a rubber piece of rubber. Okay, that's a little new to me. It says it's cute. Well, you could have gave us a full size, you know. But anyway, y'all, cards, Gucci cards. I need to like really make sure I have everything on my list, because that's something that I don't do. Like, I don't go over the list to make sure. So that's something I may do. It's going to be her last palette. So I don't know how that works. I don't know if that's a true statement or not. Oh, y'all, at least we got this here lip liner. I already had something on. So I got a lip liner from Huda. It's in the shade Warm Brown. So I'm going to try this out later. Brand Reps gave me a Gucci pouch. So yeah, I have this cute little Gucci pouch with the pink inside. Like, so cute. Oh, and I did purchase the new Patrick Ta, one of his eyeshadows. I'm not sure, y'all, about this. The Break Your Neck to Buy. I bought it because I wanted to see what the hype was all about. I mean, it's okay. I am wearing it today and put it on without water. And then I did apply a little bit of water to my brush. And applying the water did make it pop a lot more. But I don't know about this, y'all. Maybe it's the shade, because I feel like this is something that I have in my collection already. Look through the shades again to make sure, because I don't know, I'm not blown away. It's not the worst, but it's not, for someone like me who has so much stuff, I didn't need to purchase this. I'm gonna be honest, like, I didn't need to purchase it. But I would recommend you going into stores to see if you could look at the shades, because this shade I got because it's like a safe shade for me. But I feel like if I get a chance to look at the other shades, I think I will want to pick another one, pick a different shade, because like I said, this is a shade that I have in my collection already. And it is a little pricey. It is $42 just for 2 shades. So yeah, y'all, that was everything we got for the month of November. If you made it this far, I'm gonna tell you before you continue to watch, this will be a Louis Vuitton dupe unboxing, call it. So I'm just letting you know before you stay, because I don't want y'all to feel like I'm clickbaiting you, or you know, whatever. So I'm letting you know really quick what's about to happen. So if this is not your cup of tea, go ahead and click out. And I still love you all, give you my heart. So yeah, I still love you. So this is for my girlies who are luxury items but on a budget. And you know, anytime anything makes the cut, you know it's good, meaning it's Miss Tamika approved. Okay, box and everything. The shipping was pretty fast. Everything was packaged really nice. It came in a box. It came with the receipt. Everything was covered. Everything was 10 out of 10 as far as packaging. Pack it like I wanted to, because it is a small bag. The bag I ended up picking to review for you all. Dude, I was like, oh my gosh, my Sephora friend like, girl, hurry up and do the review so you can give me the bag. And I'm like, okay, friend, hold on. The bag that I ended up picking, y'all. What is it? The small Matisse. Other information regarding this bag down in the description box, y'all. When I saw the bag, I was just like, oh my gosh, at the bag. Like, do you see? Let me start off with the strap. Off small and work our way up. All right, so strap, right? This strap has weight to it. It doesn't feel flimsy or cheap at all. It has a little weight to it. It's not heavy, but it has a little weight where it doesn't feel cheap. It do have the LV here at the bottom. Get a gold chain with the bag and the strap. Here's the shoulder strap. It is adjustable with the 2 buttons. I don't know, it feels a little flimsy up in here. I'm just being honest. It do, but you know, I mean, it's not the real thing. But I will say it is holding up well. So buttons, and then you also have your Louis Vuitton here at the bottom. Hardware, and here on the bag you have the Louis Vuitton right here across the strap. Have a back pocket, y'all. Like, tell me that's not cute. Like, tell me without telling me this is not cute. Like, how cute is this, y'all? So here's the back pocket. You have the 16 max. It do not fit in here. I'm not sure what could fit in here. Maybe, I don't know, a mirror probably could fit in here. So here is that. So here is the front of the bag. So you have your Paris right here, and all you do is press the button like so, and this pops open. This part is leather, like pebble leather. Side is that microfiber material I had inside of here really quick. Now keep in mind, this bag is small, so it does not hold a lot. I didn't really get a chance to pick what I would really carry in the bag, so just keep that in mind, because I bought it to work so I could show my Sephora friend. I just have my keys. Like with this bag, I probably wouldn't carry this here key, this whole key thing. I probably would just carry my key fob and that's it. I need my wallet, which is my Chanel card case, my hand sanitizer I got from Five and Below, my AirPods, a lip balm that I've been loving that I got from Target. And here's the inside. Like I said, you have your Louis Vuitton patch pocket here. You do have a back pocket here as well. Like I said, you can put your card case in here like that. As 2 of my most used lip glosses. Here is the inside. Let's see, with me putting that card case up there where everything fit. So the only thing with this, having that key fob, it just makes it really bulky. I put my card case in the back this time, and then put everything else right there. Let's just say we want to carry my Gucci compact just for a mirror. A Gucci compact. Alright, so that might not fit. It's not going to fit. So with this hair bag, you will have to make sure you just carry your essentials because it's not going to fit. Let's just say we're going to carry a fragrance sanitizer bag because I definitely need my hand sanitizer. We probably could get away with putting a lip gloss in here too. So, let's see. All right, let's see if she fits. Okay, y'all, so she fits. Bag, I don't have to worry about babying because of course you already know why. I want to show you the detailing on the bag, like to the stitching, to the sides, like 10 out of 10, y'all. 10 out of 10. I like, okay, Miss Tamika, like I said, I don't mind doing these unboxings because the company do reach out, and like I said, I don't mind sharing because I know there's a lot of girlies out there that's not willing to pay Louis Vuitton prices. And just because I do these hair unboxings, it's not going to stop me from continue to purchase from Louis Vuitton. It's just that I have put a pause on purchasing bags from Louis Vuitton because honestly, because I'm looking to do other things with my money instead of constantly buying bags. Because, you know, with the price going up and up like that, I just feel like, I don't know, it's not, to me, it's not worth it. You know, like if I can't invest in like a leather bag, I don't need no more canvas bags. Like I have enough in my collection. I have seen a bag or two that I may purchase, BD25, but other than that, I'm not really looking for anything. So that's why I'm just having fun with hair Louis Vuitton unboxings, you all. Like I said, I'm just blown away. Like I'm just blown away and believe how good these bags look. Like I'm just going to keep saying it over and over, but I really cannot believe how good these bags look. Carry this like this. This is how I would carry her. My way to work, I'll probably just carry her like so. Like look how cute this bag is, y'all. The strap is not that long, so if you are tall, I'm not sure how that will work. Like I said, I don't know how long the actual Louis Vuitton strap is on this bag, but I will say this strap is not that long, but it works for me because I'm not tall. So here is the bag if I was to carry a crossbody. Like I said, it fits perfectly on me, but if you are any taller than me, it may be an issue for you. But like I said, it fits me perfectly as a crossbody. Like if I'm out and about, this is how I will wear it. But when I'm shopping, I'll crossbody it. But if I'm just like browsing the mall, just looking around, I'll just wear it as a shoulder bag. This is my secret unboxing. Like I said, 10 out of 10. Like 10 out of 10, y'all. Having fun with this, so please don't come for me. I'm just having fun. Like I said, I know it's not everyone's cup of tea, and I get it, and I'm not telling you to jump on this hair bandwagon. Again, this is for my girlies who do not want to pay Louis Vuitton prices. Even if you got the money, you just like, girl, I'm not about to drop that type of money on Louis Vuitton. And I understand because, you know, everybody doesn't want to pay that much for a handbag. And I got you, girl. Like I said, when to send the products to me, I will review them if they make the cut. Out and purchase a dupe? No, not. But again, they sending them to me, and I'm gonna be here to review them. So with that being said, if y'all enjoyed this hair video, please give this video a big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you could be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.